How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech. So let's say you forgot your TikTok password. Well, in this video, I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna teach you how to reset your TikTok password, so remove the old one that you don't remember and create a new one. And please keep in mind that this video is universal. So if you don't remember your phone, your email, your account, even if you don't remember anything, I'm gonna help you out. And of course, if you already know your phone or email, it's even easier. So let's get started. Let me show you how you can regain access to your TikTok. Okay guys, so simply go ahead and open up TikTok, and we actually have a few possibilities to recover our account and reset our password. And the easiest one that actually works quite a lot, and it's super simple, is right down here where you see already have an account, log in. As you tap on it, if you have previously logged in to your account on the device you have, maybe you'll see something like this, and you can simply go ahead, tap on login, and as you can see, it'll go ahead, log in, and you're good to go. You're already in. So this will work in a lot of times for a lot of people, okay? So that's already scenario number one. I'm gonna show you in a second how you can actually change your password, because we've just logged in, right? But we need to actually remove the old password and create a new one. I'm gonna show you in a second. Let me go ahead and log out and come back to that first screen. Now, if option number one doesn't work for you, let's go for option number two, which is the big red button, use phone or email. As you tap on it, it may ask you when's your birthday, so go ahead and choose the option. Then tap on continue. And then of course, right here, we have two possibilities to sign in. We have here phone or email. And of course, this will only work if you remember the phone or email, they're actually registered on your TikTok account. You just need one of them, not both. Of course, if you don't remember either of those, stay in the video. I'm gonna show you how you can recover even if you don't know anything, okay? So I'm gonna go for phone in this option right here. So I'm gonna type in my phone number. As you can see right here, you have the possibility to save your login info for later. So if you're doing this for a personal phone, you can have this option turned on. So I'm gonna go for continue. And then of course, right here, it's gonna give me my 6-digit code, which if you have an iPhone is gonna show up just like that. You can tap on it and then it's gonna fill in, and then it's gonna log in, and then you're good to go. We're already in. Once again, we are connected, signed in, we're good to go. Of course, now you may wanna know, okay, we have logged in, but I still don't remember my old password. I wanna change it. Super easy. Go ahead right here at the top right-hand corner, then go to settings and privacy, and then of course, first option, account, and right here, we already have it, password. Tap on it. And then again, it's gonna send another 6-digit code. Again, you can fill it in or you can do it manually. And then right here, you're gonna create your new password. Your old one will be gone. Just go ahead and choose an 8-character, 1 letter, 1 number, 1 special category, and so on. So then fill it in, next, and then you're good to go. You have your new password. I'm not gonna change mine because I do remember it, but then I'm good to go. But of course, we have the final scenario. Let's talk about that. So if you don't remember anything, any of your information, the final possibility is to go ahead and tap on the top right-hand corner with the question mark, let it load, and then go ahead here on the last option, which is other. Don't bother going to forgot password because it's gonna ask you for your email or your phone number and you don't remember it, right? So go ahead and go for other, as you can see. And then it's gonna load this page where you can tap on need more help. And then right here, we get the TikTok support. And then we have two possibilities. The first one is to submit a ticket for email support. So as you tap here, you're gonna fill out a form and then it's gonna be sent to TikTok support and they'll reply back to your email. Or second option, you can chat with TikTok. So you can go ahead, fill out a few information, and then you can open a chat, talk to them, and both of them will do pretty much the same thing. It's just a matter if you want to chat right away or send via email. And then of course, you're gonna contact them, explain the situation, give them all the information they need to prove you are you, and then they'll give you access once again to your TikTok account, okay? So that's literally it. That's how you reset your forgotten TikTok password and regain access to your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, guys.